Dear all, welcome to the playlist of current affairs. In this session, I'll be discussing the most important current affairs happened during December 12th. First and foremost thing, on 14 December, we observe Energy Conservation Day. Similarly, UNICEF Day is observed on December 11th. On December 11th, there is one more important day that is called Mountain Day. You can remember these 3 points like 14 December Energy Conservation Day, then December 11th we observe UNICEF Day as well as International Mountain Day. These are the important facts. Now, the first point, IIT Guwahati has developed the first attempt novel materials that can efficiently harvest water from humid air. So, this is developed by IIT Guwahati. Next is MOHFW has developed CoWIN mobile app. That means one of the application for COVID vaccination. So that has been developed by MOHFW. The name of the app is CoWIN. That point also you can remember. So it gives the information on the COVID vaccine data, recorded COVID vaccine data. Similarly, Indian Navy has finalized a contract of procurement of batch of Israeli weapon to capable of bringing down the high-speed enemy drone. That is another important point. Collaboration. There is a collaboration with Indian Navy with Israel. Similarly, one of the famous book titled by Dharma Decoding the Epics of a Meaningful Life, written by Amish Tripathi. Okay, this point is also very important. Now I would like to discuss about few more points during this particular period. Government has started 1000 Khelo India small centers to encourage sports culture in country. That means 1000 Khelo India is related to sports culture in our country. ICICI Bank has won the mandate to the designated bank for all financial transactions under National Health Mission in West Bengal. This is also another point. Then, Raj Chauhan, an Indian origin legislator in Canada, has been elected as the Speaker of the British Columbia Legislative Assembly, becoming the first from the community to occupy this post. You can remember the name Raj Chauhan and related to Indian origin legislator in Canada. Similarly, let us discuss few more points. Break dancing will make in depth in the Olympics at the Paris Games launching in 2024. So this you can remember, break dancing, one of the depth which will be held Olympics in 2024. Paul Saint Tava has won 2020 Goldman Environmental Prize ceremony in Asia continent. This is also another important point. Next, related to Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the most well-known footballer of this generation is going to be included as a playable character in the Battle Royale game Garena Free Fire. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo, that is directly related to Garena Free Fire. Similarly, Finland's health ministry is announced that COVID-19 vaccination in the country will be totally free. Okay, so these are the valuable points. Moving on to next points. Asian Development Bank has approved US $2.5 million technical assistance to support advanced biofuel development in India, ADBI, biofuel development in India. These points are related. The capital of India, Delhi, is ranked 13th in the Urban Governance Index 2020 list. This is also one of the remarkable points you can remember. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has declared the Union Territory of Lakshadweep as 100% organic agricultural area. 100% organic agricultural area, that is related to one of the UT area, that is namely Lakshadweep. It was the first UT to achieve this status. This you can remember. This will be asked in the examination. This year, IPL was the India's most searched word on Google. Okay. Then Arunachal Pradesh became the first state in the country to obtain an organic certification for its kiwis. The state of Arunachal Pradesh has become first state in country to get this certificate from kiwis. These are the valuable points. I would like to discuss few more points. The National Digital Health Mission will be rolled out across Mastercard has partnered with Yes Bank to launch Yes Private Prime Credit Card for India's affluent and ultra HNIWS. The Asian Development Bank ADB revised its forecast of India's gross domestic product, that means GDP growth in financial year 2021 to an 80% contraction up to -9% in September. This point also you can remember. Similarly, Venezuelan triple jumper, namely Yulimar Rojas, crowned as female world athlete of this year 2020, while Mondo Duplains crowned as male world athletes in this year. These two names you can remember. For the 10th consecutive year, German Chancellor Angela Merkel secures the first spot. Christine Lagarde, the president of the European Central Bank, secured her second position. These points also you must have remembered. Similarly, one of the most remarkable point, China successfully launched two satellites for the detection of gravitational waves into planned orbit from the Saichang Satellites Launch Center in Saichang province. Okay, these points also valuable. Vietnam has hosted 7th ADMM Plus meeting in the year of 2020, this year. I would like to discuss few more points. US President Joe Biden emerged at the top in the most searched personality in this year. The United States presidential election was a significant event and was closely followed by many Indians. Okay. Urban Quality Life Index 2020 released by Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai, ranked as top. Similarly, regarding the COVID battle, the northeastern states have topped the list of states in managing COVID-19, followed by Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. According to Emission Gap Report 2020, the global emissions are set up to fall in the range of 7%. These points you can remember. Wrestler Bajrang Punia and shooter Elavenil Valerian honored at FICCI India Sports Award in 2020. So these are the valuable points. So thank you very much for watching this video. I have prepared some technical videos in this channel. You can refer that particular channel also. Finally, thank you very much for your kind support. So these points you can write in a particular paper and it will be helpful for competitive examination. Thank you very much for watching this video.